This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldratt's Theory of Constraints. In this series of videos, John, we've been discussing potential domains in which you can find constraints, right? So I'd like to ask you, do you think that networks could, in some circumstances, be the constraint of an organization?
Yes. Enterprises in the network business have an internal constraint in network capacity and capability if the network restricts ROI and growth. The current competition in 5G cellular phone networks is an example. However, if a network provider has more than enough capacity and capability than subscribers will buy, that provider has an external constraint in the market. Can a network be the constraint if you're not in the network business? Yes, if it's what restricts ROI and growth. For example, streaming video and streaming music services rely on networks to distribute their content, but coverage of those networks may be inadequate in some countries or in remote areas of developed countries. Content distribution networks position content close to subscribers to minimize vulnerability to transmission network congestion, throttling, and outages. So, networks are likely to be the constraint for a network provider, but less likely for a network customer. To be a constraint, the network has to be what restricts ROI and growth, and everything else has to have spare capacity.
Great, John. Thanks very much. So now we've got an idea about networks in IT viewed by the constraint management. And in the next video, we'll be talking about a close cousin, architecture. Could architecture be the constraint?